right, Flamingo Mafia immediately picking up some green cubes. Cyberpunks 2.0 feeding cubes directly into that scoring zone. Flamingo Mafia is dropping some cubes off into the goal. Cyberpunks 2.0 trying to push off those reds for 5 points each. It looks like Flamingo Mafia is lifting up and getting some cubes into that goal. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch reds. Flamingo Mafia trying to pick up some purple cubes. Cyberpunks 2.0 trying to get some greens over that goal too. Let's now switch dragons. As we're getting more purple cubes into Cyberpunks into Flamingo Mafia. They're going to try to score these. And they get both of them in. Cyberpunks 2.0 trying to get some more greens in. With 5 seconds left, our team's going to try to park. Looks like we've got a park from Cyberpunks 2.0.